Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use MyMathLab to access your homework, quizzes, or tests. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is to go to mymathlab.com and sign in. Once you sign in, you will see a screen like this, and you are going to click on the course you wish to do assignments for. This will automatically open another web page that has multiple tabs on the left-hand side. Now to access the homework, test, or quizzes, you're going to click the homework tab, which will open another window where you are able to see all of your assignments on one page. Now if you look in the middle of the web page, it has the name of each assignment in the middle, and it also to the left of that has the due date and time for each assignment. On the right hand side, you will notice that you may have a time limit or an attempt limit on a particular assignment. Another thing on the right hand side you are able to see is any score you may have on a assignment. To view that score, all you have to do is simply click the See Score button. Now, if you wanted to do your homework, you have to scroll over the assignment name. You can see as the one I'm over right now, I cannot access as it is past the due date. But if I scroll down, this assignment here is lit up in blue, and I am able to access it by just clicking. Once I click on it, I'm able to start the homework by simply clicking a question or clicking the Start button. This will pop open your homework in a new window so you're able to complete it. Now, if I wanted to access a test or a quiz, I would do this in the same way. I would simply click on a test or quiz that is blue, and it would open it up in another window in the same way. The only difference is it does not automatically go to the question I clicked or the first question. It will go to this screen, which asks me if I am ready to start my test, and it reminds me of any attempt or time limits I may have. Now, that is all you need to know to access your homework, tests, or quizzes on the MyMathLab platform made by Pearson.